Today, criminal charges were dropped against the former Green Hill Salon owner accused of selling fraudulent cosmetology license to immigrants. News Channel 5 Investigates first exposed this scheme some 3.5 years ago. And consumer investigator Jennifer Krause was in court today when prosecutors revealed they just don't have enough evidence to move forward with this case.
Lee Fan no longer faces theft charges or more than a dozen years in jail.
Based on a reevaluation of all of the issues that are present in this case.
After prosecutors announced in court they were essentially dropping the case.
The case is going to be nollied. The state is not going forward in this case against you at this time.
Fan, a former Green Hill Salon owner, was accused of selling fraudulent state cosmetology licenses to dozens of Vietnamese immigrants. At a state disciplinary hearing in early 2013, one by one they described how they'd paid Fan thousands of dollars each for licenses to cut hair and do nails in Tennessee. Licenses many admitted they were not qualified for.
Just say she don't need to worry about it.
She didn't need to take the test.
Yeah.
This was Lee Fan then.
We've got people telling us you were charging them $3,000 to $5,000.
No, not that much. Not that much. Yeah.
The district attorney's office charged Fan with theft for taking this money and giving fraudulent licenses in return. But prosecutors say they realized proving actual theft was going to be tough.
We would have to prove that all of those people had no idea that this scheme that was going on was possibly the wrong way to go about acquiring a cosmetology license.
Assistant DA Brian Ewald said he wished the case could have moved forward.
I think it's frustrating. I think it would be frustrating for the taxpayers to know that this sort of scheme can go on.
After the hearing, Fan, whose case we've been covering now for more than 3.5 years, didn't want to talk.
You turned my life upside down. I don't want to talk anything with you.
His attorney offered to speak for him.
Mr. Fan has been through a lot, and he's ready to move on with his life, deal with the civil case, and move on after that.
That civil case came about after the state took Fan's own cosmetology license away after the fraudulent license sales came to light. A state judge agreed that Fan should lose his license, but he is now appealing that decision to a higher court. Jennifer Krause, News Channel 5 Investigates.
Investigators long suspected that Fan worked with a now former state employee to sell those fraudulent licenses. No one else, though, has ever been charged.